the queen of mushrooms, 10,000 year mushroom, mushroom of immortality, all incredible names for reishi, or Ganoderma lucidum, or Ganoderma lingere. Now, this is a beautiful specimen of reishi. It almost looks like a flying saucer, but it can also be grown like this. So these are antler formations, and farmers can actually grow reishi into looking like bonsai trees. And people even put them in beautiful vases and even put them in front of their homes as a beautiful work of art. Now, reishi is the #1 herb in traditional Chinese herbalism for a good reason. Now, people most notably know reishi for its effects, supporting our immune systems, for supporting our body's ability to, have a sense of calm, a sense of ease. It's almost like having a Zen monk as our best friend who follows us around everywhere and reminds us to, have homeostasis in our life and take a breath. It's a powerful adaptogen, which is just like I just mentioned. Adaptogens are herbs or mushrooms that help our body deal with occasional stress and fatigue. So reishi is a wonderful ally for someone who has a go lifestyle. Reishi is incredibly supportive for kidney health, for liver health, for lung health, cardiovascular health, heart health, and brain health. So really all around incredible mushroom, which is probably why they call it the 10,000 year mushroom, or mushroom of immortality. It's one of our favorite mushrooms here at Mushroom Revival. This is why it's highlighted in a couple of our products. So the first being, our calm formulas. We put reishi as the forefront. This is a bedside table must. It's also incredibly supportive for seasonal changes, and, a great ally for working out. And it helps our body's natural inflammatory response post-workout or any everyday activities. And it's just an all-around amazing ally. So this is what the mushrooms look like. Now, it's important to note that these mushrooms are growing off of something called mycelium. So mycelium is the root structure of these mushrooms, and a lot of times some companies will grow the mycelium on a growing media. So say rice or oats. And unfortunately, when they're done growing the roots of the mushroom on this filler media, then they blend it up and they throw it in a product. And what you're left with is about 80% this filler media, whether it be rice or oats, and it's a severely diluted product. So if you're out in the market, if you want to be an educated consumer, make sure you're actually getting the mushroom. That's where all the beneficial compounds are, or most of them, and a lot higher concentration. So specifically, reishi is known for a class of triterpenes. They're called ganoduric acids, specifically ganoduric acids A through D, which are only found in the fruiting bodies or the actual mushrooms, and they're non-detectable in the mycelium or the roots of the mushroom. So definitely pick the mushroom, and with all those compounds that I'm throwing out, it's also very important to find a product that is dual extracted. So if you're looking for reishi on the market, it's kind of hard. And it's impossible for you to cook it, in a stir fry or something like that. So you really need to extract it. And to get the main two classes of compounds, the polar and non-polar, or water-soluble and alcohol-soluble compounds, it's necessary to use those things. And so that's where a tincture comes in handy, is that we used both alcohol and water to pull all the good stuff, and so it's bioavailable for your body. So that's just a quick 101 on reishi. I can go on and on for the next 5 years about all the amazing benefits. So hopefully that inspired you to learn more about reishi. And as always, much love, and may the spores be with you.